The next time y'all complain about, oh man, the potholes are so bad here in wherever, Ohio, Florida, Cali. This is a neighborhood road. This is actually a true road in Hawaiian Acres. Not a lot of paved roads here on Big Island. Not a lot of paved roads in most of the back streets in Hawaii. There's a crossroad. Yeah. So when you tell us, oh man, we got some bad potholes. Really? Oh, it's so fun. We are literally like a third world country in here. But it gives us great privacy. And not a lot of people like to explore back in here, so it's quite nice to be isolated like this. But sometimes you have to cross the fjord. And here comes one right now. Yay! Yeah, look at this. This is living right here, boys and girls. Wee-haw! Anyway, just another August day in Hawaii. No fires here, but a lot of rain. See ya.